If you're looking to track IT support performance with GoTo Resolve, you'll want to know how this software can streamline that process. GoTo Resolve aims to provide a comprehensive platform for businesses to manage IT support teams efficiently, but does it really stand out in the crowded IT management space? Let's dive into how GoTo Resolve helps track IT support performance and see if it's the right fit for you. First off, GoTo Resolve offers real-time analytics. The software delivers instant insights into the performance of IT support teams, tracking key metrics like response times, ticket resolutions, and customer satisfaction. This can help managers monitor the effectiveness of their teams at any given moment, which is crucial for improving service quality. Next thing, GoTo Resolve also offers custom reports. Instead of relying on generic data, you can tailor reports to your specific needs. Whether you're looking at team performance or individual ticket handling, these custom reports provide a deep dive into the metrics that matter most for your business. However, some users report that the reporting interface could be more intuitive and flexible, especially for teams with complex needs. The third thing GoTo Resolve does well is its centralized ticketing system. Everything from initial request to resolution is tracked in one place. This helps ensure that no issue falls through the cracks, making it easier for support teams to stay on top of ongoing tickets and close them promptly. But some customers have pointed out that the ticket management system could benefit from more automation to reduce manual oversight. Next up, GoTo Resolve integrates with various IT management tools, which can be a huge plus for companies already using a set of tools. This integration allows IT teams to work within their existing workflows while still benefiting from GoTo Resolve's performance tracking capabilities. The downside, though, is that while integration is possible, it's not always seamless. Depending on the tools you're using, you might encounter some setup challenges. Finally, GoTo Resolve has an accessible interface, making it easier for your team to track performance without having to jump through hoops. The platform's user-friendly design minimizes the learning curve for new users, but some have mentioned that the interface could be a bit more polished for greater efficiency in navigating through complex datasets. But here's the catch: while GoTo Resolve does offer solid features, some competitors might be better suited for tracking IT support performance, especially if you're looking for deeper analytics or more customizable features. If you're after more sophisticated data analysis and reporting capabilities, you might want to explore alternatives that really focus on giving you granular insights. That's why we've included a look at some alternatives at the end of this video. Not only do these alternatives provide great performance tracking, but they also offer extended free trials that GoTo Resolve doesn't, so you can test out the software before committing. And if you're interested in trying GoTo Resolve, we've got you covered with an exclusive and extended free trial through our link. Plus, we'll show you amazing alternatives that could even be a better fit for tracking IT support performance based on your goals, and they also have free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best trial options available, along with some exclusive benefits you can't get anywhere else. Stay tuned for that comparison coming up.